There you go. Did you go mud? Oh.
Hey, G5 was the driver, caught her up, he hit the brakes and yelled out. Damn, police trying to stop us, we got switches, ain't no stopping, got her. Let go. Trying to shoot videos and got stuck in the car full of chop, hit him up, I seen with the sparks, give shifters on drive, we lifting in par 5-6, hit his stomach, he stand like Shamar.
Yeah, we got that hotel, bro, what the fuck? You know what I'm saying? Ooh. This view really ain't shit though, look at this shit. No, man. We can't go to any hotel, bro. This motherfucker, bro. Look at this. Man, they coming. They coming for your ass, bro. Yeah, now you're gonna be tired. Bro, we do not belong here. Look at him walking around drinking the cheapest 2 liters. Pulling out for the day. Look at this freaky deaky ass. This shit looks. Bro, look at the view, best view you've ever seen. Oh, this motherfucker. Bro, I'm just like a fucking bum in this nice ass hotel. They looking at me crazy and shit. I don't give a fuck, bro. I paid my dues. Type shit. Hey. So I'm supposed to be meeting this motherfucker to go swimming, bro. Bro, this is not bro. Where the fuck are we going swimming at? He taking me, bro. We ain't swimming, bro. This is a setup. I don't trust his ass. Bruh. Yeah, let's go fucking swimming. What the fuck? It's facts. 52 minutes after stop. I'm trying to fix mine. Everything online. All she do is cry. I can tell bullets start flying. I gotta. So they came back in me the face, motherfucker. Bro, it didn't. It's working.
No, it's working. I'm a nigga. Hey, you think the rain is a lot more? Me, nigga. They gave props to that weird looking nigga.
But that nigga's gonna eat you.
What are you doing, baby? You need to go home, baby. Stop. Fuck that car. There's doggy. With some gummy worms? Oh no, you might not like them, baby girl.
They are nasty.
They are kind of nasty.
He said, hell no.
Yeah, baby, go home with me. Come on, baby. Go home. Fuck you.
Skit.
Go home. Here, you want some more gummy worms? I'll leave them. I'll leave a trail.
No, don't do that. He'll follow you
I
home.
love you. Look, buddy. I gotta take it home. Yep. In the dough. Yeah, you're gonna get the old man. Yep, you're good. 11, nigga, no, that's a fucking 9:30 seconds.
Looks like it's.
Carry this. See.
When we take. Chat, this ain't cool. We fucking Pepsi holder. Motherfucking parkour and shit. There goes my website. Look at that. Get the ball head of YouTube. Oh, we free balling. But he's walking through here with no shoes, bro. How you over here complaining? You the Pepsi holder. Bro. All y'all shoes got me to get wet. That's it, Katie. Yep. Put your shoes over it upside down, Ella. Alright, let's go. Trying to keep this bitch afloat. How the fuck I still record? What the fuck? I was gonna hop in, but I don't know how. Oh shit. Oh. I didn't put my shoes on. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm straight. Hell no. But I don't know how the fuck I'm still recording. I don't know how the fuck this shit sound. We still in this bitch. We thugging. Hell no. You got that bitch? Oh! Yeah. I ain't making it over there. My ass too fat. Come on, Mufasa. Mufasa, come on. Look, it's every time I put the camera down, this motherfucker do something. Yeah.
Oh, you good? Yeah. I just barely my foot.
Right, there's a gator right there. Don't get you, Rylan.
No, it's a flat rock, ain't it? Yeah, it's flat rock. Oh, it's all flat rock till you get up here. My feet are so fucking...
You did good. You did good, bro.
Grab that Pepsi. I carried it. Ain't you, man. Yeah, that's it. Boy, my sister like is fucking... Ah, fuck.
There you go. Did you go, bud? Oh. Fuck. Oh, okay, well, never mind. I'm done.
Hey, Mom. Coming.
God damn, I gotta clean up the water.
Yeah, right there, Memphis.
I can't put this nowhere.
Time has come.
I'm getting ate up, but I should stop here. Probably.
Don't bit my neck.
We should have just went with the hotel, Riley.
Oh. Fuck that rocker. You want to check it, Julia, dude?
You look like Sacagawea. We're on the trail too. Pepsi holder. On the scene.
He's a good boy.
All right, Riley.
Hold on, Kevin Blake. When I get these shoes on, I'm fast. I'm gone.
I go shortcut way. What the fucking seafood? Where's that one boy when we need him? That one dude we saw at Walmart.
Get you an outro.
You can't get away. Where you going? Where you going? You can't get away. Where you going? Where you going? You can't get away. Chase that down till we fall on your face. Where you going? You can't get away. Where you going? Where you going? You can't get away. Where you going? You can't get away. Where you chase that down.